Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to share someone's story to your own story. So if you viewed someone's story and you like it and you probably want to support them or you want to share it with your friends also, all you need to do is to go ahead and open your Facebook application like we do, and then click on the story which you like. Probably today is Sunday, so I don't think this is bad. Okay, this is a story which is relating to Sunday. So if you want to share this story, you can notice below it says share. Just at the bottom left corner, just go ahead and click on it, and you can notice where it says share to your story. Go ahead and click on the share to your story. Don't worry, it's loading. So once it's loaded up, all you need to do is to that's if you like, you can add effects, you can add whatever you want, but I don't think that's needed. So go ahead and go down back. So once you're done, all you need to do is to send it to your story, and it's going to process, and you can notice it says public. Go ahead and say share now.
One more question.
So it's going to successfully be shared to your story. You can notice still loading. I'll give it a time. It's going to appear, and this is the one I shared previously. So I think this is it. So that is how to share someone's story to your own story. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing though, it is not all story that you can share. For instance, if someone took a private picture and actually made it private, if it's not public, you can share that picture. You can notice there is no share option on this particular picture, which is because the person made the picture to be private. And so goes to so many other pictures. So if anybody have their picture to be private, you won't be able to share them. But if it's a public picture, you can always click and you'll be able to share the picture. So that is probably how to share pictures on your stories, which is copying someone's story to your story. And you can notice the picture you shared also have the person's name, which you can also link to that person's story. You can see when you click on the person's name, you can see view story. If you click on the view story, it views it properly, and on your own area it doesn't view it properly. So that's the difference between a story you shared and a story which is yours. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment if you have some question, and do like the video and please share it with your friends. See you guys some other time. Please watch the next video.